Good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today is our last day of school. At yun nga, naka-receive kami ng gift from our head teacher. Papakilala ko sa inyo yung head teacher namin. She's Miss Darlene.
Hello?
Ang aming pinakamamahal na head teacher.
Hello? I'm busy.
Hi ka naman, Miss Darlene!
Wag ako. Hi.
Yan, napakabait po ng aming head teacher na
Hi.
to.
Lalo na pa natulog. Super bait.
Super bait. At napaka-supportive. O, di ba? Miss Gemma, say hi to my channel. Hello!
Anong channel? Channel 5?
Channel 7. Kapuso. How about you again, Miss Aisha? I love Miss Aisha. One of my...
Hello.
My channel.
Good luck.
Good luck next school year. Yeah. And
May pasaway.
may pasaway.
Ang pasaway na guro to.
Jubita.
Hello.
Jubita.
Hi.
Mamaya, maghihintay pa po kami. Baka may announcement pang iba. Wow. Okay po, bye.